There are two options for replacing the wiper roller in the L901. Option 1. The printhead is not removed from the printer. This method is for experienced users being able to complete the process in under 30 seconds. Because this method leaves the printhead uncapped, taking more time can lead to print quality issues and damage to the printhead nozzles. Option 2. This process removes the printhead from the printer and stores it in the orange cap. This allows for more time to replace the wiper roller. This method is recommended for less experienced users. This video will cover method 1 first. To view method 2, go to 2 minutes and 34 seconds of this video. On the front touch panel, select Menu and then Wiper. Select New Wiper at the bottom of the screen. The service station will move into position to allow for the removal of the wiper roller. Open the top cover. Release the roller by first pushing down on the wiper roller assembly and then push the non-geared end towards the capping station. This will release it from the bracket. Then lift the wiper roller out of the roller assembly. Insert the wiper roller into place, making sure the gear on the end of the roller is aligned with the gear on the wiper motor assembly. Then push down on the wiper assembly and lock the non-gear end into place by snapping it into position. Close the top cover. The printer will now condition the new roller. Once this process completes, the printer will show online and the printer can be used. On the front panel, press the menu button. Select Service, press System D'. The printer will now remove the ink from the printhead and ink tubes. Once complete, the printhead assembly will lower and the printhead latch will release. The message on the display will change to Printhead Unprimed. Lift the printhead latch. If the latch is not released, do not force it open. This can damage the latch assembly. With the latch in the up position, push the printhead towards the blue latch. Then the printhead can be removed. If the printhead latch is not released, go to the touchscreen front panel, press Menu and select Service. From there, select Release Printhead. If the printer has not been deprimed, Release Printhead will not be available. Select System D'. The printhead latch should now be released. After the printhead is removed, make sure to store it in the orange cap that came with the printhead. Not doing this will result in poor print quality and potential nozzle damage. Release the wiper roller by pushing the non-geared end toward the capping station. This will release it from the bracket. Then lift the wiper roller out of the wiper roller assembly. Insert the wiper roller into place, making sure the gear end of the roller is aligned with the gear on the wiper motor assembly. Then lock the non-gear end into place by snapping it into position. Lift the blue printhead latch. If it is not released, do not force it open, as this can damage the latch. If the printhead latch is not released, go to the touchscreen front panel, press Menu, and select Service. From there, select Release Printhead. If the printer has not been deprimed, Release Printhead will not be available. Select System Deprime. The printhead latch should now be released. Inspect the contacts on the printhead circuit board, making sure none of the contacts are dirty or damaged. If installing a new printhead, follow the instructions in the manual, removing the printhead from its packaging and removing the protective tape. If installing a used printhead, make sure the contacts are clean. Use a lint-free cloth and distilled or deionized water to clean the printhead. Insert the printhead at an angle, aligning it with the slots in the printer. Once seated, gently tilt the printhead back until it snaps into position. Close the blue printhead latch. Next, close the top cover. The printer will now prime the printhead. This process will take a number of minutes. To condition the wiper, select Menu and then Wiper. Next, select Condition Wiper. Select Yes to continue. The wiper will now be conditioned. Once this process completes, the printer will be available to print.